I'm trying so hard not to be dramatic, but I'm done. This girl is looking at me like from Lecime. I'm not a fan of the rips, but it's like super thick, which is cool. Trucker. Okay, cool. Do not know. Hope you enjoy them and excited to see how you style these. A pixel pet. I used to love these. Oh my gosh. This is a cute bracelet. For a picture frame. Love yourself. Thank you. That's love. Some mules. Alright. This. These are cool. Misunderstood. I've seen these. Man, I really could have done. Oh, I like the crop fit. This is cute. Yes, I know who this is from. I met her in New York Fashion Week. She had some clothes featured at a pop-up. And she sent me the 2 tanks. These are cute. I would definitely wear them. Great quality too. And some candies. Come on. Period. Spicy? Heck yeah. Spicy. The first bite. No, I'm cool off that. Which one was it? That's a shut the fuck out. Okay, wait. Okay, I need you now. Wait. Never again. Never again. Never again. Y'all. Which one is that? Never again. I'm scared. Y'all, I'm trying so hard not to be dramatic, but I'm done.
Wait, this looks hot. I'm scared.
No, I'm sweating.
Get her some milk, bro.
Yeah, this was one bite.
You got to go.
Yeah.
You beat me to it. And I gave you the one way ahead of time.
That's real. Oh. You have a quick cure? A quick cure? Like something to help?
Yeah, you want some ice cream? You want some ice cream as well?
Oh my gosh. I cannot. This girl is looking at me like. I'm scared. What flavor? Nothing there. Any one good. Okay, one. Okay. Come on, focus.
It's definitely spicy, but like, I can tolerate
I'm trying to send you react. I've never seen you dying from spiciness. Like,
Relax.
No, because this is actually crazy. This is the second to level. It's always me. Because what always happens is it's me. I'm the one that's like suffering. Oh, it's not even spicy for real. Now look at me.
It's not spicy.
Oh, right. Girl, you have one tender. Half your ice cream's gone. One tender down too. This is level hot. This one less than her. I'm sniffling. 5 out of 10. 4 out of 10. To the day. Videos.
If I see that on YouTube,
You will see it on YouTube. Girl, you don't. Just take your sugar water and go, boo. Okay? We can coexist. Just take your sugar water. Whoa, what is bro doing? That's so cool. Hey. You want to say what's up? What you working on?
So what?
What you working on?
Shit.
That looks cool. I like how the waist is cinched.
This is like one of my sets is over like
Catered American deli. About to fit. Tight. These are hard. It's giving like off. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, here it is. Amy's first time. Layla's putting us on. Okay. Oh, the sauce. Okay, here's the sauce.
I'm waiting for y'all to guys. We try to find the chicken. Yeah, chicken and dip it.
Chicken first.
I like it. I like the sauce.
Way better than Jackson's.
Okay, now this on top of this, dip it. I'm telling you, this is the best.
Them tenders hit.
I know that shit here.
Not bad. This is like a 8. The fries remind me of American Living. I'm gonna give it 8.5. It surpassed my expectations.
Guys, what are we about to do here?
Cute guy spotted at Caves. Going to the bathroom. Come back. That's funny? That's funny? Is it because it looks like Dookie or something? Oh, okay. Nice.
She was trying to get her aesthetic photo.
Alright, let's go try it.
It's free.
Huh? Okay, let's go. Humble time.
Yeah. I hate that.
It kind of tastes like the other one. You know what I mean? I like
I
it.
really don't like that.
Okay, y'all should save it for me, man. I like it.
I like that.
This is like liquor candy.
I hate the aftertaste. I give this a 2. No, I give this a 1. This is a 1.
Damn. I don't know.
I'll spit it out.
I need milk for this. You like it?
Oh no, that one.
Dude, all these are like 1s.
Oh my
These
goodness.
are so ass.
Which one do you like?
None.
You like that one.
Which one?
You like that one.
Are there nuts in this?
You like it.
Wait.
Are you allergic?
Yeah,
Or is it coconut?
I don't really like it.
Ew!
It's a
I
German
give that a 4. No, a 3.
What is this
Look
weird?
at that. The one.
You don't taste it.
Maybe
That's
the
a
piece
dark
I got.
chocolate piece.
Oh heck no, I'm not.
You don't
I'm cool out. I'm cool off that. Y'all can have that. What is with the hair getting in my mouth? I looked cute today when I'm just running errands, so I took myself out on a date. Who is this fine lady? Looking fine as ever on my date. Period.